In this video, we will show how to replace the canister purge valve in a GMC Acadia 2017. A failing purge valve solenoid can manifest as a check engine light, rough idling, hard starting, particularly after refueling, decreased fuel economy, poor engine performance. Replacing the purge valve solenoid, a GMC Acadia 2017, is a fairly simple process, and it is similar in other vehicles. To start, we need to remove the oil cap and then take the engine cover off. It is recommended to put the oil cap in place while working to avoid possible contamination in the oil system. In the Acadia 2017 Limited, the canister purge valve is located on the front top of the engine. The electrical connection is disconnected by pressing the locking tab and pulling the connector out after you feel it is released. Now we are going to release the valve connection by pressing the green locking tap. Once the tap is released, just pull the line out. The next step is to remove the 10mm mounting bolt here, which is not easily accessible, and I will use an extension. At this point, the canister valve can be pulled out place. To mount the new valve, you just slide it into place, aligning it to the mounting points. I will start the mounting bolt by hand, and then tighten it with the 10mm wrench. Once it is secured in place, you connect the line back by pushing it in until you hear the locking tap click. The wire hardness is connected in a similar way, by pressing in until the locking mechanism clicks. Double check to be sure that everything is properly secured, and that's it. Mount the engine cover back in place and start your car. The engine check light may not go away immediately. You may need to drive your car for a while until the fault is cleared in the dashboard. But you may feel that your car is performing much better now. Thank you for watching, and check the comments below for the canister purge valve part number and other useful information. Remember to subscribe and follow up for more useful videos.